Hey guys, Tamika here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. Like I said in my last video, I did a review on the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. My objection in going into the store was to find this stick, but they did not have it in my shade. That's why I ended up getting the Lemonade Craze palette and doing that whole video. If you guys haven't checked that video out, by the way, go ahead and check it out. I will have it linked up here or linked down in the description box. You can go ahead and watch that after this video. But I went into my local Ulta and they actually had this foundation stick, and they actually had it in my color. I went in with the same color, 356 Warm Coconut, hoping that it's going to give me the same effect. It's going to be the same color. It's not going to be too off. I'm just going to hope that everything is great with this. So I picked this foundation up in Ulta and I got it for $11.99. And this product is double-ended. So one end you have the actual foundation, the stick foundation, and on the other end you have like a little blending sponge, which I'm not going to use because when I purchased this one, for some reason, I guess it was a little bit open, but there's product on the end of here. I don't know what that's about, but there's a little bit of foundation on this side, so I'm not using this side. The other side was fine. It still had the plastic on that side. It wasn't touched, so I thought that was kind of weird. So this Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick is cream to matte formula with a precision blender, which is this little blender on this end, and it is full coverage, or it claims to be full coverage. But we're going to test that out today. Let's see if this is really full coverage. Are they scamming us? Are we going to get the same effect or coverage or greatness as the liquid foundation? With this product here, we're going to test that out today. Okay, so the first con right off the bat, without even putting this product on my face yet, where's the rest of the product? $11.99 for this, which I think, like, if I was someone who was wearing foundation every day, I think that this would be finished in about 2 weeks. Okay, so this is 0.25 ounces or 7 grams of product. As you saw, this is not much product in here, and you're paying $12 for something. For someone who might be an avid foundation wearer, if they really love this product and was wearing this every single day, this will not last you very long. Just gonna swatch that. It's very creamy on the hand. I'm just swatching that on the back of my hand. I don't know if you can see that there, but this is what Warm Coconut looks like. I'm hoping that it is an okay match. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Tatcha what is this called? The Silk Base primer. I have this in like a little sample here because I think it's like $40-something. I like to save my coins for other things. Now I'm really hoping that I like this foundation because I feel like after I use this one time, can I really take it back to the store? Half of the product will be gone already. I mean, I don't know, I'm just saying. They're gonna be like, you can't return this, ma'am. It's almost done. Yeah, I only used it one time. Is this too much? I mean, I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing with the stick foundation. Now I'm liking the finish on this foundation. It doesn't seem matte, but I'm sure it's gonna dry down matte. But the color, as far as blending it goes, was a little alarming at first, but I feel like once I buff it out, we can get the color payoff that we need. Okay guys, so this is the foundation on. I do think it's actually a decent amount of coverage. I feel like if you went in with a little bit more, it would be a good amount to call it full coverage. But this is, for me, this is good. Maybe it needs a little bit more time to dry down for it to become matte. But right now, it's giving me like a nice glowy, dewy finish. The only thing that I would be worried about is this starting to settle in my smile lines before I finish with my foundation. So I'm gonna give this 3 to 5 minutes to set. I'll be back. It's been about 5 minutes and this is as matte as it got. I mean, I don't think it's super matte, which is okay because not a lot of people like that super drying matte. To me, I feel like this is like a demi matte finish. I still have a nice glow, a nice sheen coming through, which a lot of people will live for this glow. A lot of people do not like super matte foundations, which I think this is great for those people. To me, I don't think it's super full coverage because I don't know if you can kind of see, but in my smile lines, that's where I have like discoloration. It's a little bit darker in that area. I can still kind of see that coming through. To build it up, I would just like kind of go back over that with foundation stick just to build up a little bit more coverage in that area, and I think that'll fix the problem. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the final look using my Maybelline Superstay Stick foundation. I have to say I do love how everything turned out. Layering the rest of my face products on top of the foundation gave me no problems. So I guess it depends on what your preference is. If you like liquid foundations more than stick foundations, stay with the liquid version of this product. If you don't mind a stick foundation, if you're looking for something that you can build up, and if you don't want that much coverage, I would say go with the stick foundation. It's very easy, it's on the go. I feel like you can take this if you're not doing like a full face of makeup with like contour and blush and highlight and all that stuff. You can definitely take this on the go to do like quick touch-ups, and I think that's what this little applicator on the end would be absolutely great for. I think this is a decent foundation, but my biggest con is just like, this is almost done. I would feel stupid if I went back to return this because if I use it like 3 more times, it'll be done. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys have this product? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Why do you hate it? Why do you love it? Let's chat down below, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, or I'll have one either side of the screen. Just go ahead and click that. I would love to have you join this little book growing family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.